Here we are, we're at point 4. Point 4 is trust. The first two factors I'm going to group together in this point are authority and reputation. Authority has an importance ranking of 3 and reputation up to now has an importance ranking of 1. First up, authority. Is your website the most authoritative out there in your respective field? How do you make sure it is? Quality content, everything we've discussed so far and everything we're going to continue to discuss going forward. Are you offering the best links? Have you got the best quality information on your site? Is your information up to date? And if you are sending people to external links from your website, are you sending them to quality ones? Reputation. Google has a thing called legacy. It basically looks at how long a company's been running. The longer a company has been running under an individual name, the more Google trusts it because it's been around longer. Very, very simple. Your legacy will grow the longer you go on, and if your legacy continues and your authority continues, it's only going to serve you well. So start as you mean to go on. Next up, what we've got is engagement. Engagement has an importance ranking of 2. Now with the engagement, this is how people are interacting with your site. Are they just coming on? Are they bouncing off? Are they spending time on there? How can you boost engagement? Everything we've already talked about. What you can do, you have quality content, you have your information that the customer's looking for, you've identified their need and you're filling that on your website. The customer has a question, you're there with the answer. These are all ways to get the customer to engage with your website. Videos, multimedia. If you have a video at the top of your website and a new user comes on, they may have a look at that website, the video that's on the website, and they may stay on your website for maybe a minute or 2 minutes longer than they would have originally. Google sees this as you having relevant content, so it moves you up the search engines organically. All these little things count as engagement, and everything we're discussing today on this video and in this session will boost engagement if you do it correctly. And that is everything there for trust. We'll move on to the next one then.